Hello guys, what's up? It's Devjyoti here and welcome back to TechieDD. In today's video, let's talk about an app through which you can use your smartphone camera as a webcam for laptops and desktops. Although laptops generally come with webcams, but the quality is not that much good. And in majority of the laptops under 60,000, you will get only a VGA camera where the quality is very poor. So in today's video, I will show you how to use your smartphone camera as a webcam.
So guys, let's open Play Store and then search for DroidCam. This is the app that you have to install in your device. Let's install it. And guys, you also need to download the DroidCam Windows client in your laptop or in your desktop, which I will talk about in the next part of my video. Let's open the application first. Click on next, got it, and then allow all the permissions. And guys, here it is only asking for the camera and the microphone permission in order to use the app. So this is the interface. Here it will show your Wi-Fi IP and your DroidCam port, which I will talk about in details when I will show you in my laptop. Now let's move to settings. Under the camera settings, you will get the option to select your back as well as your front camera. And right now back camera option is selected in my device. So this is all about the mobile application. Now guys, I will show you how to install the Windows client. Open Google and then search for DroidCam Windows. The first link that will appear is the official link, that is dev47apps.com. Now just download the application by clicking on this icon. And guys, I have already downloaded the application in my laptop. So now I will show you how to install it. So this is the icon. Open this, next, I agree, select the path, and guys, here you have to install both the components, that is for Android as well as for Apple. Now click on install. It will take 5 to 10 seconds for the installation to complete. Yeah, it's done now. Now let's open the application. So this is the icon, DroidCam app. So guys, this is the basic interface of the application. As you can see, here you will get 3 different modes of connection, that is connect over Wi-Fi, connect over USB, and the third one is create Wi-Fi server. Although this method is not so much popular, here I will show you how to connect your device over Wi-Fi as well as over USB. First I will show you how to connect your device over Wi-Fi. In order to use this method, your laptop and mobile must be on the same Wi-Fi network. And the device IP that is showing here in your PC is the Wi-Fi IP that is showing in your mobile. And guys, your laptop will automatically detect the device IP and the DroidCam port. And in case it's not there, you have to enter the exact same value as it is showing in your mobile. Now just click on the start button. And as you can see, the rear camera in your mobile will act as a webcam. Now guys, let's say if you want to chat with your friends over Skype video call, then under Skype settings, under audio and video, you have to select DroidCam source by clicking on the drop down menu, and here it is already selected. So now your mobile will act as a webcam for your video call. And guys, if you use Zoom video call, then also you will get the option to select the camera source. Now let's move to the second option, that is how will you connect over USB. And guys, this is much better because here you will get a stable video, whereas in Wi-Fi, if the connection is not stable, then your video will lag. And in order to use this, you have to turn on USB debugging in your mobile. For this, first move to settings, then under about phone, tap 7 times on the option build number, and then your developer settings will get activated. Now go to system and under developer options, enable USB debugging, then click on OK. Now connect your device with your laptop via USB, and under USB preferences, select the option as file transfer, and here you will also get the notification that USB debugging connected. Now you have to open DroidCam app in your mobile. Now in your PC under connect over USB, you just have to press the refresh button, and then in your device you have to allow the USB debugging, and then your device name will automatically appear here. It might take 15 to 30 seconds for your device name to appear. Yeah, now here it is showing my device name, that is Motorola One Power. Now we just have to click on the start button, and now my device will act as a webcam. Now guys, after about waiting for more than 30 seconds, if your device name is still not appearing, then you have to install another ADB software, that is Android Debug Bridge. And for this you have to visit this website, that is adb.clockworkmod.com, and I will also put the link in the description box below. Then just click on the download button and then install the software in your PC. I have already installed this. So now open my computer, then go to Drive C, Program Files, then Clockwork Mod, then Universal ADB Driver, and then under Universal ADB Driver select and then copy all the items, and then move to DroidCam, then under ADB paste all the items, replace the files in the destination, continue. Yeah, done. Actually I have done all these steps before showing you the connect over USB method, as I was also facing issues while connecting. So now you are good to go and you can easily connect your device over USB.
So guys, that's all for today. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed my video, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't. I will see you again in my next video. Stay happy and be positive.